Hello and welcome to Meta Chicken. The ability to create and use tools is often seen as a defining characteristic of the human race, but it turns out, we might not be as special as we thought. In this video, we'll be looking at just a few of the many animals we've discovered are skilled at using tools. Let's get into it. Number 1. The octopus. This cephalopod is known for its intelligence and ability to solve problems, as well as its ability to adapt to its environment in a number of ways. One of the most interesting things about them is their ability to use whatever materials are available to them to create their shelters. This includes everything from empty bottles and cans, to bits of coral and seashells. While it's not known for sure why octopuses build shelters, it's thought that they do it to protect themselves from predators and the environment. By hiding away in their shelters, octopuses can stay safe from harm and avoid being eaten by predators. Additionally, the shelter provides a place for the octopus to rest and hide from the bright sunlight. While octopuses may not be known for their construction skills, they still put in a lot of effort to make sure their homes are up to snuff. Number 2. The sea otter. The sea otter is one of the few marine mammals that use tools. They will carry rocks in their pouches and use them to crack open the hard shells of their prey. This behavior has been observed in captivity and in the wild, and it seems to be passed down from mother to pup. Scientists aren't sure why the otters use rocks, but it could be that the hard surfaces help to protect their delicate teeth. Another theory is that the vibration from hitting the shell with a rock stuns the prey, making it easier to catch. Whatever the reason, it's clear that these furry little creatures are pretty clever. It's not just rocks that sea otters use as tools either. They have also been known to carry sticks, sponges, and even bits of kelp to help them with various tasks. For example, they might use a stick to pry open a clam or an abalone. And they've been seen wrapping themselves in kelp to keep afloat while they catch some sleep. Sea otters are so darn adorable, it's hard to believe they're capable of such clever things. They're like little fuzzy water puppies, and it's just the cutest thing ever when you see them using tools to get their food. Who knew those little guys were so smart? Number 3. The elephant. Elephants are the largest living land animals on Earth, and they're also pretty darn smart. In fact, they're so clever that they've been known to use tools in a variety of ways. For example, they will use sticks to swat flies, and branches to scratch themselves. Elephants have also been known to use tools to help them with tasks such as moving heavy objects or breaking open coconuts. In one case, a captive elephant was even observed using a broom to clean itself. Elephants also use branches and logs as scratching posts. This behavior is known as self-maintenance scratching, and it helps the elephants to remove dead skin, dirt, and parasites from their bodies. While this behavior may seem odd to us, it is actually quite common in the animal kingdom. Many animals engage in some form of self-maintenance behavior, including primates, rodents, and even domestic livestock. Number 4. The magpie. The magpie is a member of the bird family Corvidae. The scientific name for the species is Pica pica. Magpies are found in Europe, Asia, and North America. In North America, they are most commonly found in the western United States and Canada. Magpies are known for their intelligence and ability to solve complex problems. One way they use their intelligence is by using tools to help them find food. Magpies will often search for food by probing the ground with sticks or stones. This helps them find insects, worms, and other small creatures that live underground. Magpies are also known for their interesting social behavior. They often live in small groups or flocks of around 10 to 15 birds. These flocks will help each other find food, and protect each other from predators. Magpies are very curious birds and are always exploring their surroundings. This curiosity sometimes gets them into trouble, as they will often steal small objects like coins or jewelry. If you see a magpie, be sure to watch it for a while. You may be lucky enough to see this fascinating bird using its intelligence and problem-solving skills to find a meal. Number 5. The chimpanzee. Chimpanzees are interesting animals to study because they are so similar to humans. They share about 98% of our DNA. This means that they are our closest living relatives. Chimpanzees have been observed using tools in the wild for over 4,000 years. They use sticks to extract termites from their mounds. The sticks are inserted into the mounds, and the chimpanzees then use their lips to suck the termites off the stick. Chimpanzees also use sticks to pound on trees, which makes a loud noise that can be heard for some distance. This is thought to be a form of communication. There is still much to learn about chimpanzees and their tool-using abilities. Scientists believe that studying them can help us to better understand the evolution of human intelligence. It's clear that animals are much smarter than we give them credit for. What makes tool use so intriguing? Perhaps it's the fact that these animals are using objects to help them with things they could not do on their own. Or, maybe it's simply because it's fascinating, not to mention adorable, to see animals behaving in such clever ways. Whatever the reason, tool use in animals is definitely a behavior worth studying. So the next time you feel cocky about your tool using skills, just remember that there are plenty of animals out there that can show you up. Who knows, maybe one day we'll be the ones working for them. If you enjoyed this video on animal tool use, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more, and click the notification bell to make sure you know whenever a new video comes out. We've got a lot of great content coming your way, including videos on things you didn't know about the human body, strange facts about space, and so much more. Thanks for watching.